కనిపిస్తున్నారా నెల కనిపిస్తున్నారా అసలు రైతు छे का तो एक 50 फीट रहा ए बूढ़ी बुरा पिरोज चोरी चोरी थी नेक्स्ट आज गाइस हमारा सजेशन नेक्स्ट वीडियो वीडियो करेगा मत इधर फोन जो इधर झाड़े पर चढ़ मिलो जैसे ऊपर मैं भी तुम्हें दिखा रहा हूँ कोनी को guys see this guy everyone this is a bonda see this guy coconut tree our
man coming from coconut tree
here I am total here this fellow he don't know how to drink coconut water everything bullshit he doing one coconut is wasted see this guy this see how our guy is now coming down చూడండి బ్రో ఎట్లా దిగుతున్నా ఇగో these are our bondas coconuts here there also this is from upside fall down see guys how much we will thief it no we cut bondas coconuts guys very work person work hard hard work person this is our gift from our side for his best performance now finally we are going our mission was completed take care guys this is our garden see everyone if anyone interested pay 1000-2000 rupees and come and enjoy see this fellow how drinking how he eating guys we rocked it see in my hand very big coconut I will drink this one this guy bullshit wasted one bonda
for next part wait
for next video just wait for next video we will post very soon love you guys take care देख गाइस आज छोड़ के भागे में इधे छोड़ दो शिवा छोटा ही छोड़ो से ये मोटा छोटा ऊपर दी पड़ो जो ऊपर दी पिल्लो जी हां नेक्स्ट इधे मत ये 2 एकड़ इधर कुछ लाते काय करते मत लाते हम छोड़ गए इधे हमारा सीनियर लीडर ये छोड़ रहे थे आज जो कोई बुचका निकल रहा था बस स्कैम करता है ये अनुरुद्ध एक सॉरी का सी गाइस
ये काड़ा का वो थमाला वीडियो
टूपीएफ जो फोन आ रही जाए ఇటు శివ
అరే ఎంత స్వీట్ ఉంది సార్ ఇది
సూపర్ నెక్స్ట్ లెవెల్